You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll walk you through what to do if you can't hear the caller on your iPhone. Let's get right into it. First, during the call, make sure the volume is turned up using the side buttons. It sounds simple, but sometimes the volume for calls is set separately from media, and it needs to be adjusted while you're actually on the call. Also, check the mute switch located just above the volume buttons to make sure it's not turned on. If it's showing orange, that means it's muted, and you'll want to flip it back. Next, check if your iPhone is accidentally connected to a Bluetooth device like headphones or a car audio system. If it is, the audio might be routed there instead of your phone's earpiece. Or try toggling speakerphone during the call. If you can hear the other person through the speaker, the issue may be with the earpiece specifically. A quick restart can also help. It clears out minor software glitches that sometimes affect audio. And don't forget to physically check the earpiece area. Dirt, lint, or even screen protectors can sometimes block the sound. Cleaning it gently with a soft, dry brush might fix the problem. It's also worth checking if your iPhone's iOS is up to date. Occasionally, audio issues come from bugs that are resolved with software updates. If you've tried all of this and you still can't hear callers, test the earpiece using another app like voice memos or FaceTime. If it's not working there either, it might be time to contact Apple support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you figure it out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more practical iPhone tips. See you later.